Hey, welcome to the Wise Owl. Are you usually the melancholic type and carry a specific sadness? Are you mostly happy and upbeat? Are you this tall, muscular person whom nobody wants to upset? Are you the thinker type, a deep person who wants to find meaning in everything? Are you fun and adventurous? As you might know, music intervals carry emotion. So today let's take this test. I will play for you music intervals and you can experience their sound. How do they make you feel? Which one sounds like you? Just sit close by, listen to their sound and see what feeling each of them triggers in you. Let's start with a minor second. How did you feel? Next, major second. Minor third. Next, major third. Perfect fourth. Next, augmented fourth. And now a perfect fifth. Minor sixth. Major sixth. Minor seventh. Major seventh. And finally, a perfect octave. Okay, which one defines you the most? Which other ones define you to a certain level? What emotion do you attach to them? Please use the comments to contribute. I hope you had fun with this test. Please go on and share it with everybody. Remember, music is all about these intervals and what they make us feel. You can check my song analysis playlist to see many examples of famous songs and how the intervals are used to make you feel what the singer is feeling. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The Wise Owl salutes you.